ACB conducted a secret verification into the allegation that Sajid Yusuf Bhatt, Chief Financial Officer, and Zahoor Ahmad Dar, Executive Engineer, both presently posted in Srinagar Smart Steel Limited, have accumulated assets disproportionate to their lawful known source of income. And suspects are also living lavish and luxurious lifestyle. Sajid Yusuf Bhatt owns a commercial property at Rambagh, Srinagar, having actual price significantly much higher than the value of the sale deed paid by the suspect. Besides, multiple bank accounts with suspicious transactions. In this way, public servant, namely Sajid Yusuf Bhatt, son of Muhammad Yusuf Bhatt, resident of Namblabal Pampur, at present Daulatabad Khan Yard, Srinagar, presently posted as Chief Financial Officer Srinagar Smart City Limited, has enriched himself illicitly by indulging in corrupt practices which attract commission of offences under section 13(1)(b) read with 13(2) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 for possession of these assets which are obviously disproportionate to his known sources of lawful income. Accordingly, FIR 1-2025 has been registered in police station ACB Srinagar. Zahoor Ahmad Dar owns a lavish multi-storied house at lane number 5, Ghalibabad, Shaltang, Srinagar. One sedan car, suspicious bank transactions in personal accounts and accounts of his spouse, acquisition of benami properties and huge assets in forms of FDRs. In this way, public servant, namely Zahoor Ahmad Dar, son of Abdul Razak Dar, resident of Takan Waripora, Srinagar, at present Ghalibabad, lane 5, Shaltang, Srinagar, presently posted as Executive Engineer, Srinagar Smart Steel Limited, has enriched himself illicitly by indulging in corrupt practices which prima facie attract commission of offence under section 3(1)(b) read with 13(2) of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Searches are underway at different locations. I suppose at 7 different locations. Right now we are conducting search and investigation is in progress. अब मैं हिंदी और उर्दू में हिंदुस्तानी ज़बान में आपसे इसका जो है बताने की कोशिश करूँगा। हमारे पास कंप्लेंट्स आई थी कि श्रीनगर स्मार्ट सिटी में 2 गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज़ है, पब्लिक सर्वेंट्स हैं, जो साजिद यूसुफ डार जो वहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल जो है एडवाइज़र के तौर पे काम कर रहे हैं, वहाँ से हासिल की है। एंड अकॉर्डिंगली उसके बाद जो है 7 डिफरेंट लोकेशंस पे अभी जो मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ सर्च चल रही है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।